Welcome to the second part of our tutorial on using custom fields and segments in iContact. We're pretty much picking up where we left off in our last video. Here you see the custom fields that I've created, and now we're gonna see how to use these custom fields to create segments to do specific distribution lists for our email campaigns. So let's go to Contacts. And from this submenu here, you're going to select Segments. I've already maxed out on my number of segments that I can use. Given the number of contacts that I have allotted for my iContact account, I can only do 10 segments. So my only option is to upgrade or basically delete segments and create new ones. So let's say, for example, my list is distribution list is fairly small. It's about 35 people in total, and distributed among wedding photography and graphic and web design. Now, obviously, I don't want to hit everyone that belongs to that list, so I create custom segments. Let's say, for example, that I want to send my newsletter to just people that are interested in graphic design and marketing. So let's see how this works. Let's edit. I give a name to the segment, of course, so I can use it for reference when I'm ready to send my email. And you have to select a criteria. So in this case, I called a custom field called source with a value called graphic design. So basically what I do, let's recreate it here and add criteria. And that was a custom field that I created. You can also use one of the default fields created in iContact, but I chose to use a custom one. So for example, custom field, I selected source, and basically probably the best name for this field initially should have been type of customer, but I created another field called type. So anyways, for this exercise, we're going to select source, and the only downside that I see here is that iContact doesn't give you an option of a drop-down menu, so you have to remember what names you assign or what values you have for that particular custom field. So in this case, I just want people that were my graphic design customers. Okay. And since I already have that, let's say web design. And let's click save. So now my criteria was added. So I'm looking for people that have been either graphic design or web design. And as you can see, the matching contacts are 0. So my guess is iContact is not creating a relation where it's either or. It's either web design or graphic design, so it creates a confusion to the criteria, and you just get 0 as a result. So let's delete web design. I say OK, and it's back to 9. So there are 9 customers in my database that have done business with me for graphic design specific projects. And so basically that's how you create a segment, and you can create any number of custom fields as we saw before and segment your list based on those criteria when they are assigned here. And for example, you can just select people that are interested in web design content or graphic design, or in my case, which also includes photography, I can either go as specific as saying, okay, I just want to send this list out to people that had family portrait sessions with me. I don't want anyone who had wedding photography or engagement sessions, just family portrait sessions, and send an email with content tailored specifically for that audience. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how to do that in iContact, and You don't need a really high-end CRM. You can do this from an email provider service, and it's just a matter of understanding what you can do with the tools that you have. That's it, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial.